start with the ingredients we will be requiring. Now here I'm going to be using 250 ml of fresh cream, and I have kept the fresh cream chilled in the fridge. Then we're going to be using strawberry puree. That is, I've just taken about 5 to 6 large strawberries and just blended them in my mixer to a fine puree. Then we're also going to be using about 2 to 3 large strawberries, which I've just cut up into small pieces, 2 tablespoons of icing sugar, 200 ml of condensed milk. Then you just require any plastic container in which you can pour the mixture and freeze it. Or if you have a tin like this, a loaf tin or a cake tin, just line it with some butter paper on the base. And we're going to use some butter paper and some aluminium foil too. You can also use a hand whisk if you have one, or an electric mixer like this, hand mixer like this. So now let's begin making this amazing strawberry ice cream. So first we are going to beat the fresh cream with our electric mixer or whisk for at least 10 to 15 minutes. So you can put a timer on your watch or on your phone and beat it for 15 minutes or whisk it for 15 minutes. This is very crucial for making a nice, smooth, amazing ice cream. Now, after beating it for 10 to 15 minutes, I'm going to add the 2 tablespoons of icing sugar and continue beating it till we get some nice, soft and firm peaks. So once you put in the icing sugar, it helps in making the cream very stiff. You will notice it as you beat it, that it changes from a very liquid consistency to a nice, thick consistency. This is also very key and important to our ice cream recipe. Now, once we have done that for about 5 minutes, we get this nice stiff peaks. Now we're going to be adding in our condensed milk. Now I have a recipe for making homemade condensed milk. I will leave a link below. Please go and check out that recipe. It's very easy. So now just whisk in the condensed milk so that it evenly gets mixed well with the fresh cream. So just mix it up for about half a minute to a minute so everything gets well incorporated. This is such an easy recipe. You don't need to have an ice cream maker. You just need these few ingredients. Now we're going to add in our lovely strawberry puree. Look at the color of it. It's so beautiful. And it's all natural. Now you can leave, after mixing it, if you like this pale pink color, you can leave it as that. But if you really are looking for a nice pink color, then you can add a few drops of food color. I have added about 2 drops of the rose pink color. So you can either add the color or you can leave out the artificial color and just keep it natural like this. It's a very pale pink, beautiful color. But I have gone ahead and added just 2 drops of rose pink color, and that will give this ice cream a lovely, rich color. You will see it. There was some problem with my camera, so when I was adding those 2 drops, my camera happened to switch off. But this is the color I got after adding just 2 tiny drops of this rose pink color. You can add a gel color, you can add liquid, powder, color, whatever you have. And now all we have to do is just add up these cut up pieces of strawberry. This really enhances the flavor and the taste of this ice cream. So when you're biting into it, you get these amazing pieces of strawberry. Now all we're left to do is just pour this entire mixture into our prepared cake tin or loaf tin, or if you're putting it into any plastic or glass container, just pour it in carefully. Get all that goodness into the loaf tin. And now you have to freeze it or put it into the freezer section of your refrigerator for a minimum of 8 to 10, 5 to 6 hours too will do, depending upon your refrigerator setting for the freezer. But preferably you can keep it for 8 to 10 hours, or overnight is the best. Now, just so that no ice crystals form on the top of our ice cream, we're going to just cover it with some butter paper. You can also put some cling wrap or plastic wrap, and then we're going to cover it with some aluminium foil. This is also very key so that, you get a lovely, rich, smooth texture and you don't get those icicles or ice particles as you're biting into the ice cream. So like I said, we're going to freeze it. And after waiting patiently for 8 long hours, this is the end result. So when you open it and then you take off the butter paper, you will just see how easily the butter paper comes off. And you can see that the ice cream is set so well, and it's so smooth on the top. And now the best part, we're just going to scoop out some ice cream and enjoy. Like the saying goes, enjoy your ice cream before it melts. So now you can use a spoon, you can use a scooper. Now, if it's not coming out easily, just dip your spoon into some hot water. That makes it very easy to scoop out the ice cream. And now you can just decorate it with some lovely cut up pieces of strawberry to make it look more beautiful. And the best part of making, ice cream at home, it's just the joy of when you see everyone's faces light up, that, you just feel so happy that, oh, wow, I made some homemade ice cream. And homemade ice cream doesn't have any preservatives, and you know exactly what's going into your ice cream, all the best ingredients. So I hope you liked this recipe, just using a few ingredients. And like I said, if you want to make condensed milk at home, I'll leave a link below in my description box. Go and check it out. And this is the final result, guys. Smooth, tasty, delicious strawberry ice cream. So give this recipe a try. Let me know in the comments box below how your ice cream turned out. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. That really gives me a go of putting on more and more recipes for you guys. When I see those thumbs up, I know that you really liked my recipe. So take a little time and click the thumbs up icon. For those of you who haven't hit the red subscribe button yet, guys, please hit the red subscribe button. It's free, completely free. There's no charges for watching my video. There's no charges for subscribing to my channel. Just hit the red subscribe button and become a part of Akshita's Recipes family. Support my channel by subscribing to it. Visit my channel. I've got more than 230 recipes and a few vlogs where you get to know more about me. And do share my recipes. If you like my recipes, then do share them with your family, your friends. Let people know all the recipes that I have on Akshita's Recipes. It will help them too. And most importantly, thank you so much for stopping by and watching my videos. I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. And of course, one more little thing is, once you subscribe, don't forget to hit the little bell icon that you will see, because then every time I put up a video, you will know that Akshita has put up a new video. If you don't click the bell icon, then you will not get any updates on what I'm posting on my channel. So again, thank you so much, and I'll catch you in my next video only on Akshita's Recipes. Bye guys, take care.